Hi guys, how can you create an RB red and blue light effect in Photoshop? First, press Ctrl plus J to create a duplicate copy of your image. Next, go to Layer New Adjustment Layer Solid Color. Choose a red color and click OK. Now change the solid color layer's blend mode to color. Duplicate the solid color layer by dragging it onto the new layer icon. Open the duplicated solid color layer and change the color from red to blue. Now select the layer mask, choose the brush tool with a large soft round brush around 511 pixels. Set the foreground color to black, then paint over the areas where you want to hide the blue light, leaving it visible only on one side of the subject. Finally, hold the Shift key, select the affected layers, and press Ctrl plus G to group them. And that's it. This is before and this is after. A cinematic RB lighting effect with vibrant red and blue highlights. That's how you can create an RB red and blue light effect in Photoshop.